Well, we are here for the Calm and Kind training, and we are very excited, because we're just learning so many new things that we can take back to our school.
Two takeaways that I would take with me from today's workshop would be just the experience that I'm sharing with the parents that I am with on a weekly basis, some of them on a daily basis, and just the fact that we can learn off of each other and also learn from the structure that everybody has put together for this amazing program.
I love that when you come in, they make you feel welcome, everybody's engaging, and then everybody's just very friendly. And right now with the stress that everybody's going through, I think this is a great topic to share with our family, our staff, and our students.
I love when they give us activities where we are able to work as a team, because that way we are able to collaborate with each of the participants. So that has been my favorite part.
As a parent, mother of 3, I have gone through a lot, I have learned a lot, and I continue to learn. So it's something that I'm always going to have for myself to take as a parent, give that to my children, and hopefully help them when they become parents as well.
I think it's important because we all going through a lot of tension, whether it's at school, at work, with our family members. So it's very important to show students how to relax ourselves when we have tension, when we feel nervous. And the breathing part, I like when the presenter, facilitator show us how to breathe in, breathe out, taking time for ourselves, closing our eyes, calming ourselves. It was very relaxing, very nice, so I really enjoyed that part.
I think these type of trainings are good for our parents and for faculty, because I've had some of my parents who attended Parenting Partners, and they said that the training has changed their perspective completely of how to not only talk to their kids, but also how to, disciplining wise and things like that they never thought about before. And now they can do it in a better way for their children, and their children feel better, they express themselves better. So I think these trainings are good for us as staff as well, how we can talk to the kids at school and, see them as the person they are and, be respectful for each other as well.